Hi guys, it's your More Girl and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you today, I finally got paid. Excuse me, I am so under the weather. I didn't think I was going to do this video today. I'm feeling a little groggy there, so guys, I'm so sorry. But you guys had so many questions I wanted to answer, so I just wanted to do like it on Tuesday and call it like YouTube Tuesday. And of course, last week when we discussed the new demonetization and we discussed, how a lot of channels was going to be kind of lost, being monetized, and I was just trying to tell you, just stick hang in there, guys, and do the best you can. This video, I am going to actually show you what I got, and I just wanted to give you a couple tips. It's not going to be a long video since, of course, I'm under the weather, but I just want to share a couple things to help me towards the Christmas. And one of the things I just wanted to share with you is I think what happened towards me, I did not get monetized until November. I think it was either the 5th or the 9th. After being on YouTube for a whole year. And yes, I could have been paid throughout the year if I had known how to do it. But again, like I said before, I'm kind of glad I waited, because by that time I already had my subscribers, already had my watch time views. By that time, I think I had like 100,000 watch time views by then. And I could have done it way back in the summertime when it was only 10,000 at the time. So another thing I wanted to tell you guys is you need to download the Creator Studio mobile app. That helped me so much, because you know how we check the analyzation on the YouTube and it looks like we are in school and all these graphs everywhere. It is very confusing. So I'm going to show you briefly how I downloaded this Creator Studio, and I'm pretty sure they have it for both Apple and Android, and how it helped me understand each section of what I was doing right, what I was doing wrong, when my videos went increase, when they're down. And I think what happened to me in November, when I put in my rose gold bathroom, because Christmas time and rose gold is a popular color at Christmas, so every time someone type a little search about rose gold, my video kept getting more and more views. As you can see here on the Google search, it became number 2. One thing that helps it, guys, is your title, your tags, and your description. Make sure you go over everything, because that really helps with your SEO and will boost your videos up, because remember, it's a lot of competition. Okay, and once it got more and more views, it started to go up on the SEO, with the search engine optimization that is connected to Google and YouTube. And that's one thing I noticed what happened to me, because also in your mobile, and I didn't see it in the analytics on the YouTube side when we look on the computer, in the mobile, it'll tell you what's working, what's not working, and what you can do to improve. So I was just going over it every single day. I'm like, okay, I had a peak here. What was the peak? When I did my tour for Christmas, I had a spike. So that means everyone was watching that, and it kept getting more views, more subscribers, more watch time. Remember, watch time is the length of time that they're watching your YouTube videos, and that is what you want. Another thing I want to show you guys is my subscriber. If I just based mine on my subscribers, I would have made it at Christmas. See, guys, this is a quick example. Subscribers are very important, but look at the non-subscribers who actually watch my channel versus my subscribers. The non-subscribers, so that's why prior to this new change, I would have said, you know what, guys, don't even start it. But because we need to reach, you guys need to reach those 1,000 subscribers, yes. And of course, the more subscribers we love, but that doesn't necessarily they're watching everything. Because even with me, I don't subscribe to a lot of channels, but I watch them all the time. You want that watch time. Watch time is what makes you your money. Where I got the information, where I can improve, and what I'm doing correctly. Again, I can't go through the whole thing. It would take hours and hours and hours. If you guys want to do like a YouTube Tuesday and maybe like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, or maybe a Tuesday or every other Tuesday to kind of go over, little tips, let me know. But I can't do everything in one. It'll be just too much information. I'd rather just have little chunks of it at a time, and better show you that example. Also, when a subscriber asks me about the advertisement, how do I advertise? Once you reach the point where you can qualify for it, you're gonna go in and we could cover that next week if you want. In your settings, in your Creator Studio, there is a thing called monetization. Monetization, you got to make sure it's enabled. Just hit the button to say and enable it. And that way you're allowed. Also, another tip is, guys, custom your thumbnails, and make sure you are verified. If you're not verified, you cannot custom your thumbnails. So make sure you go in your settings under Creator Studio in YouTube and make sure you are verified so you can do custom thumbnails. The key point to me for any YouTuber getting subscribers and being successful on YouTube, to me, it's like going on a diet. We want to get to that end real quickly, but it's just not going to come that way. Okay, it's a process. And a lot of people who are out there, these big ones, they didn't start a week ago. Some of these guys started in 09, 10, 11, 12. You could check out when they started. So it does take time, guys. It's going to be a process. So we have to bear into that. If you're this close to your $1,000, guys, upload. Ask people to like, comment, and subscribe. Do whatever you can. Ask them, please help me like, comment, subscribe, and do whatever you want to do to get those views, subscribe, especially if you're only like 20 subscribers short. Okay, pop out those videos. You still have some time because the day is like the 23rd. You still have a month. So if you're that close, I'm pretty sure you guys can make it. Make sure you make some good bomb videos. Make sure the lighting is great, or, you know, you don't have to have the fanciest of equipment. I'm using my phone, and I like using my phone. I actually do my video on my iPhone mobile, and I have studio equipment. I have studio lights. I have a Mark D5. I like my phone. You know, as long as you can see me clear and the lighting is pretty good, it works for me. And to me, it's just so much easier, especially if I'm somewhere else. Like when I was in Virginia, to have you up and do a video, upload it. So no, you don't need $1,000 worth of equipment right away. If you can't afford to do it, do what you can. And I want to show you real quick the information I got. I'm just going to show you a small example. And at the end, I'm going to show you how much I made. And I made it in from November to January. Some YouTubers make this real quick, and the information that YouTube gave me. Also subscribe to the YouTube creator, subscribe to the YouTube creators. They have these little quick videos and information. I researched them. Also, don't look at YouTube just as your DIY channel, your music channel. Don't just look at it as anything like that. You have to do some research and background. You got to learn those analytics because that tells you all the information you need to know. And again, let me go back over it. The mobile one was so much easier to understand than going on the YouTube and going through that whole screen as I showed you here. Lastly, I'm going to show you what I made, and it did come in on the Monday the 21st, so it was already direct deposit. Also, it's not a lot of money, and we don't make a whole lot of money if you're a smaller channel. If you're a gamer with 10 million views or a beauty guru, those channels makes big money because they have millions of subscribers. We're only going to make but so much, guys, okay? So don't let this make or break you, but at least let's try to get monetized, okay? And I noticed when I researched some of the videos from a year ago, some people wait 4 to 6 months to receive that $100 threshold. Remember, they will show you a graph of how you slowly reaching that threshold. When you get to that $100, then you will get a check the following month. But if you're at $99, you're going to have to wait till the next month. This month, so far, I think I'm at 90 something. So if January, if I'm at 92, and the cutoff period starts, I won't get paid until March. Understand? Okay, because there's a cutoff period and there's the pay period. I'm not quite sure what, I think the 15th is the cutoff period. Someone let me know if that's correct. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you briefly. And again, stick it out, stick to it, do your best. I know you can do it. We all going to do this thing. We're going to get through this, guys. All right, don't give up. And this is your More Girl. Thanks for watching. Okay, you can see here it's telling me people are spending more time watching your channel than before. Okay, and then it breaks it up from the quarters. Okay, from the summertime to the fall and then the fall. And you see how it went from 123 to over almost 500,000. That is what you want to see, because that's telling you, here it's telling you why does this matter? And it's telling you why it matters. What could have caused this? So this is the information and how to act on this. And all you have to do is look at your traffic source, which is here. Let me see if I can get this, guys, for you. Click on your traffic source. And it's telling you your traffic. See, suggested videos are number one, and then browse features. So it's giving you all your information of how people are finding your channel. Okay, so I'm going to go back. Okay, sorry guys, I'm all over. And what could have caused this? This change caused mainly by one kind of attractive suggested videos. So this is what you want to look at. So this is telling me I'm doing something right and why. Okay, how can I act on this? And this has a drop down button as well. So these are the things you want to go into your analytics, okay? These things will help give you information, what's up, what's down. If your videos are going down, they suggest you what to do, the whole bit. And I really like this one so much better because it's in more of a layman's term. So guys, this is what Morgirl made for the first payment, and this is not too bad. And you can see below where it has the $30.21. That is what I actually made in November. And since of course it was under the threshold, it carried on into December, which was $213.56, and it was a total of $243.77. Sorry guys, no, you're not balling, but it's still more than what we had before. And these things sort of help us grow our channel. You know, it helps us with lighting, electricity. It might help with some type of editing equipment. So, guys, thanks again for my channel. I hope this was a little helpful. If you want some more videos, let me know. And we could do maybe a YouTube Tuesday, maybe once, twice a month. Okay, guys, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Support each other. And thanks for stopping by. I hope this helped just a little. All right, guys, I see you later. And next, I'm doing my DIY on the weekend. Thanks, guys. It's your Morgirl.